This poor bird is confused because a tree is stolen away by the crooks, I should say. A sandalwood tree is stolen away. Maybe its nest has got destroyed and it is wandering like anything since this morning. Can you see the bird? It's very hard to focus with this mobile of mine. I'll take few steps ahead and I'll check if the bird will stay there or it will fly away. That's all. It is not able to fly uh, like an adult bird would do. Even if I approached it, it is choosing not to fly into another tree and uh, invite any risk of getting attacked by other birds because it does seems to be a juvenile.